So in this Kraken tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy Bonk, ticker symbol BONK, on Kraken. Once Kraken's open up, go to the bottom right, press on the purple Buy Crypto button. In the search bar, pretty self-explanatory, but type in Bonk, and then press on Bonk right here. On this page, you can type the amount of Bonk you're looking to buy. I'll do $20 as an example. And then to go to the next page, press on the purple arrow. Once you're here, you can go ahead and check out the amount you're paying, the price, the fee, and the total, as well as the payment method. In this case, for me, it is Apple Pay. And if all looks good to you, you want to proceed with the transaction, go to the bottom, press on the purple confirm button, and then follow the steps after if you want to do so. Very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can buy Bonk, ticker symbol BONK on Kraken. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.